Adriana and Fernando and their devotion, respect, and love for each other wish to unite in the bond of marriage and dedicate themselves to each other's happiness as husband and wife. This day has been coming for a while. From the time that you first met in middle school, you've known each other. Life has taken you down different roads, but those two roads would eventually bring us here to this moment, today. And today, by what you do here, you will form a family along with Andres, Santiago, Amelia, and Joel.
I've known since 17, you and me are meant to be.
I love you, Adriana. You are my best friend. Today I give myself to you in marriage.
I promise to encourage and inspire you.
I promise to encourage you and inspire you, to laugh with you, to comfort you in times of sorrow. I promise to love you and in good times and in bad. When life seems easy and hard. When our love is simple and when it is an effort. I promise to cherish you and always to hold you in highest regard. These things I give you today and other days of my life.
I'll stay.
I love you, Fernando.
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend. Today I give myself to you in marriage. I promise to encourage and inspire you. I promise to love you in good times and in bad. When life seems easy and when it seems hard. When our love is simple and when it's an effort. These things I give to you today.
And all the days of my life.
And all the days of my life.
I will stay till my breath goes.
I formally and officially announce that they are lawfully married, husband and wife, those whom God has joined together, let no one put asunder. The kiss the bride.